Hello all office executives. In this particular Excel video, I'll be showing the quickest way to copy an Excel spreadsheet inside a workbook and make a duplicate of it. So what I used to do earlier was I used to go just keep my cursor over the sheet and then press Control and then left click and drag above, and then I just used to let it down. So I used to face difficulty in this way, that is after keeping my cursor over the sheet and then pressing control and then click, then dragging it up and then pulling it down. So the simplest way would be just control left click, drag all the way across. You just don't need to pull it above and then release, just drag across. Here it is a duplicate of the original sheet. So in this context, the question might arise that why we need to just duplicate the Excel spreadsheet. So I don't want to make some changes over the master data. So if due to some I am doing some analysis or doing some entries, it might happen that I want to view the original spreadsheet how it was, and I don't want to just make some changes to it. I will be making a duplicate of it, and after making a duplicate of it, I will be making some changes, and if the changes are in accordance, then this will be the final sheet. So before ending the video, I would again like to say that what I used to earlier do is that I used to just keep my cursor over that Excel sheet, then pressing control, then dragging it all the way across to above and then releasing it, and it also makes a copy of the Excel sheet. But the easier method would be just simply control click over the sheet, drag across. You don't need to just pull it above and then release up, pulling it above and then releasing it down. You don't need to do so much. You simply just click and drag all the way across to make a copy of it. So that's a short tip on how you can make a copy of your Excel spreadsheet inside a workbook. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.